Welcome to Gearhead Garage, your ultimate destination for in-depth automotive reviews, specifications, and features. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a potential buyer, or just curious about the latest vehicles, we're here to bring you comprehensive insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4, a rugged icon that continues to hold its own in the off-road market. The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 maintains its reputation as a robust and reliable vehicle designed for those who crave adventure. While the exterior retains its classic and utilitarian design, subtle updates give it a more modern appeal without losing the character that enthusiasts love. The iconic boxy shape is paired with a durable body-on-frame construction, ensuring durability on challenging terrains. The refreshed grille and updated LED headlights offer a contemporary touch, while the raised ground clearance and sturdy bumpers emphasize its off-road readiness. Under the hood, the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 is powered by a reliable 1.7-liter four-cylinder engine. This engine delivers 83 horsepower and 129 Nm of torque, which may not seem powerful by modern standards but is more than sufficient for its intended purpose. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, this powertrain is designed to handle rugged trails and urban commutes with ease. The Niva's full-time all-wheel drive system is its standout feature, offering impressive traction on mud, snow, and rocky terrains. Its locking center differential and low-range gearing make it an excellent choice for tackling extreme off-road conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 balances simplicity with functionality. The interior has been updated to include a few modern conveniences, but it stays true to its rugged roots. Durable materials are used throughout the cabin to withstand wear and tear, while the ergonomic layout ensures practicality. New features include an updated infotainment system with a small touchscreen display, offering Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and basic navigation functions. The seats provide decent comfort for long journeys, and there's ample headroom and legroom, even for taller passengers. While the focus is more on utility than luxury, the Niva's cabin is well suited for adventure seekers who value durability over frills. In terms of safety, the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 includes basic features such as ABS, electronic stability control, and dual airbags. While it doesn't compete with modern SUVs in terms of advanced safety tech, it offers enough to provide a sense of security during off-road escapades. The build quality and reinforced chassis also contribute to its rugged reliability, ensuring that the vehicle can withstand the harshest conditions. On the road, the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 performs admirably, considering its design purpose. The steering is responsive, and the suspension system is tuned to handle uneven surfaces with ease. While it may not deliver a smooth ride on highways due to its off-road-oriented setup, it excels in environments where other vehicles falter. Whether it's climbing steep inclines, crossing shallow rivers, or navigating rocky trails, the Niva proves its capability as a true off-road warrior. The practicality of the Lada Niva extends to its cargo space as well. The rear seats can be folded down to create additional room for gear, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need space for camping equipment, tools, or other essentials. Its compact size also allows it to maneuver through tight spots that larger SUVs may struggle with, making it versatile for both off-road and urban use. The 2025 Lada Niva 4x4 is a testament to the enduring appeal of rugged and functional vehicles. While it may lack the sophistication and advanced features of modern SUVs, it delivers where it matters most for its target audience. With its unbeatable off-road capabilities, robust design, and practical interior, the Niva remains a favorite among adventure seekers and those who value a vehicle that prioritizes function over form. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 2025 Lada Niva 4x4. At Gearhead Garage, we strive to bring you the best insights into the automotive world, and we hope you enjoyed this in-depth review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Make sure to subscribe to Gearhead Garage and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest car reviews, specifications, and features. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.